name is Marciniak. I own Duluth Lawn Care, located in Duluth, Minnesota. I've been in business now for 13 years. I think the reason that people choose Duluth Lawn Care is we've been around for so long now. We try and maintain top quality, top-notch equipment, great employees that know what they're doing. As far as the equipment running on the job site, I would say on an average day, the mowers are actually running for 6 or 7 hours a day. As far as our two-stroke equipment, they actually run more than our mowers. If I had to average out a typical season, we're putting 550 to 600 hours on our two-stroke stuff. Some of our two-stroke equipment we've had for 10 plus years have 6,000 to 8,000 hours if I had to guess. We don't have any issues with them, so if it's not broke, why fix it or replace it? We've used Amsoil things since day one. The motor oils, the grease for all of the pulleys and spindles. Once a week we're greasing our machines, and then every 80 to 90 hours we're doing oil changes. The products that we're using for our two-stroke equipment is the Amsoil SABER oil. We're mixing the oil at 80 to 1. The reason that we mix it a little bit leaner than the manufacturer recommends is simply for the fact that we haven't had issues mixing it at this rate. The cost savings is huge. I would highly recommend Amsoil to anyone in the lawn and landscape industry. Again, we've used it since day one. There's a lot of stresses that go into owning a small business, but putting Amsoil in our equipment gives me the satisfaction that the equipment is going to last longer and be dependable for us.